Hello, my people. How are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. I am YJ. YJ is a Gambian, and Gambia is in West Africa. So we are going to do continuation with Excel practical here. Like in the previous level 1 video you saw. Today we are going to actually continue. From kind of like you can see tax 1 here up to tax 10. But those of you who were following me, you can realize that you were doing, let's say, tax 1, tax 2, in the level 1 video. So follow YJ for better learning, better thinking, better knowledge, and better sharing of ideas. Let's do this thing together, guys. Today, I am introducing you to Excel still, but this is level 2. So level 2 here, I want you to be able to do all this, in Excel. So let's go and then do it together. We have to go straight to the Excel. Now that Excel is open, all right, we type our information, everything there. So we are going to do the calculation. What are we going to calculate right now is to calculate the total here. Those of you following me in the previous videos, I said for level 1 and 2 we are going to use auto sum. So you have to go straight to FX. Then we are looking for sum here. If you are not seeing sum, just type it here at the search for functions. So we just click on it here, we press OK. So right now it's like here we are looking for calculation. From here you just click there to where, to this place here. So it's going to give you the range here, which we agree. Okay, we just press OK. And now we're going to click on the copy functions formula here, drag it down. Okay, people, that is done. We go to the maximum, we're going to collect the data, the answers for that too. So max is here. I will just click on max, press OK. From here down to this place. Okay, now I will press OK because I agree with that. Then point on this middle, drag it down. All right, we go for the next. The next one is mini, calculating mini. We did it here in level 1, those of you who were following. So you just click on FX here. What are we looking for? We're looking for minimum here. If you don't see it, type it here and then press go, you will get it. Now we press OK. All right, so right now I didn't agree with this formula here. Like I said to you, in this level 1 and 2 we are going to use auto sum. So click on this address here, which is B3, and then drag it like this. All right, point in the middle, then you highlight up to D3, then you press OK. All right, so now point at this place to copy the formulas to the rest of the items. All right, so we just go to the average. On the average side, what do you do again? You have to go to the effects. Now we are looking for average. Here is here. You just click on average, my people. Then you go to next. Here is not F3 to G3. It's just from B3 here. That's the average we want to do. Then highlight up to D3. Now we see the answer here. Then we press OK. Okay. Now we copy the formulas to the rest of the items. So we now get this thing done. And if you look at this level 2, we are following tax to do here. All right, so tax to do here, let me take you there. Right now you created the questions on the worksheet, and then the next one they are trying to tell you, it says calculate those things, number 2. Number 3, we have to apply the color background to our text. So applying the color background here is talking about we have to do these color backgrounds that we are seeing here to our work. Okay, we did number 4 in level 1 because we merge and center. So guys, let's go back to Excel. Let me show you what we are going to do. Now, as you are supposed to now do the design concepts, so you are asked to make sure that you highlight it like this. All right, to this place. Okay, so just come here. If you can see, that's where you have the fill color. But if, let's say, you want to also do it again, you can do it in different ways too, but just click here. We just kind of like select the color, like they are talking about different things. I am going to select, let's say, I like this color blue. So that's the blue I put there. Now the next one, I am going to click here again. Always be careful. If you are trying to highlight, point in the middle of the cell, then you come down. Make sure you click in the middle of the cell and then highlight like this. Let's go. Once you highlight like that, go to the fill color here. You click there and then select another color. And selecting another color. Then click on total again. You come down to the next place and then select. This is how you design it. Example, if you are calculating the results of the election, results of the election, like the colors of the parties, this is what you do. So you just click there and then select I want to put the blue again, right? So I put the blue as the color background again. So look at how beautiful it is, guys. Everybody can see how it is. All right, it looks very, very, very beautiful. So we have to go back to the next task to do. If you check, number 4 is done, number 3 is done. So right now we are going to all numbers under what? Under the average should have the 2 decimal places. So we have to go back to the work here, to the Excel. All right, so this is average here. This is not number. This is the number started. This is where number started. So you just have to point at the numbers. All right, once you point there, you highlight to the downside. Now what you do is you just have to go to the numbers here. I think you can see numbers here, guys. Just click on the numbers here. Now you will see number inside in the category here. Just click on numbers. These are where the place you can set the decimal places. So right now they ask us to set it to the 2 decimal places. 2 is already there. So I'm just going to select the positive ones, like the red ones, and then press OK. You can see average is set to 2 decimal places. All right, let's go back to the task to do again. We see what they asked us to do. So we are going to number 6. Number 6 is orient the subheadings to 45 degrees, guys. I hope you're following. So I will go straight to the Excel again. And then these are subtitles. You just click on subtitle 1 here called items. Then you highlight it to the average here by people. I hope you're following. Once you are at that place, what do they want you to do? They want you to orient it. So come here to alignment here. Once you are at alignment, just click on the action button for alignment. You will see it will give you the orientation here. So if you cannot use it to push it like 45 degrees using your mouse, you can just type it here. Just remove this and then type what? 45 degree there. It's moved to 45 degree. Then you press what? OK. Guys, I hope you are following. So look at it, how beautiful it is. Now they are oriented to what? 45 degrees. We go back to the task to do here. The task to do number 7 here, it says we need to make sure that we create a chart based on mini. So we have to go back to Excel. All right, people? Mini is here, that is minimum. We just click on mini, then highlight to the last number on the mini. Now where are we going? We are leaving home. We are going to this menu here called inside. We just click on inside. All these you are seeing here, they are all charts, my people. All right, so I am just going to, let's say, click on this chart here. I will select 3D here. So that's the 3D I want to select. I will just click on it. So mini is here. It's represented in graph format. So just click on it and then drag it down to, place it under the document. So guys, this is how it will looks like. I hope you are seeing it here. This is how it will looks like. Okay. Let's move on to the next task to do. The next task to do is task number 8. It says format the title of the document with the following: font size 18, background color of yellow. So we have to go back to Excel again, my people. We click there. This is the title. Do not highlight. Do not try to highlight. Just click on it here because you already margin center. So once you click there, they ask you to go here. All right, click on that place. The font size here, they ask you to put is what? 18. So we just fix 18 there. I always advise you not to use the shortcuts, because if you want to know really your applications, always try to go deeply into them. So we just put it that, but we need a background. So it's the same thing like this. They say yellow, we just click there, then select the yellow here as the background. Look at how beautiful it is, guys. Once we are done with this, the next one we are going to do is we are going back to the task to do. We are going to task number 9, which says the average should be in borderlines. All right, great, people. Let's go back there. This is average here. We click on the average, then highlight to the last number on the average. So what we do have to do here, we are going to make sure that we put outside borders to this. Okay, we put it into its own borders. So we just click here, people. Once we click there, we're looking for outside borders. So we just click on outside borders. Right now, our average is in borders. Okay, so once we are done with this, guys, let's go back to the final stage. The final stage says let's at least save this file as Excel practical. So we go back to the Excel and then click on file, my people. Once you click on file, you just click on, if you're saving the file for the first time, you go with save. So right now, we can just try to put a location. Let's say we click on browse, we want to put it on the desktop, and desktop now is here on this side. You just have to scroll up. You will see desktop here, click on desktop. Once you click on desktop, desktop is open now. So what do you do next is you have to just create a folder here. If you want to create a folder, you just click on that. A folder is created here, then you put your file name there. All right, like I put a file, and then you click on what? Open. People, I hope you're following. So you click on open here. Once you click on open here, it's going to bring save here. You remove that. This is where you put the file name. You put it as what? Excel practical. Okay, guys. So you press what? Save. Now the file is saved inside into that folder. So guys, thank you so much for watching YJ. This is a short video for level 2 Excel. Please keep following YJ. Comment, let's hear, and make sure that at least we learn from each other, because sharing these videos for it to reach out others is going to be at least a wonderful thing, and a lot of people should benefit from it, because that's the reason why we are here. The reason why we are here is for us to share the knowledge, is for us to make sure that we learn from each other. So please make sure you comment, please make sure you share these videos so that your brothers and sisters, they can also benefit from this. Thank you so much for watching YJ.